What if I told you that one person with a smartphone can now outperform a billion-dollar brand? A few years ago, that would have sounded impossible. Big companies had massive advertising budgets, celebrity endorsements, and global marketing teams. If they wanted attention, they could simply buy it. But today, something has changed. A single creator with a camera and a loyal audience can influence more buying decisions than some of the world's biggest campaigns. How did that happen? The answer isn't technology. It's trust. For decades, businesses controlled the conversation. Advertising was one way. Brands talked, customers listened. Then social media changed everything. For the first time, people could hear directly from other people, not just companies. That shift changed the balance of power. Today, before buying something, most people don't visit a company's website first. They search YouTube, they watch TikTok, they check Instagram, they read Reddit. They look for real opinions from people who've actually used the product. Think about your last purchase. Did you trust the advertisement more, or the person who spent time explaining the pros, cons, and real experience? For most people, the answer is obvious. We trust people who feel genuine. Our brains are wired to look for authenticity. When someone shares both the good and the bad, it feels honest, not like a sales pitch. In fact, admitting flaws often makes a recommendation more believable. That's why successful creators don't sound like ads. They sound like friends. They tell stories. They share experiences. They answer real questions. They earn trust before asking for attention. This doesn't mean traditional brands are disappearing. They're adapting. Instead of talking at customers, they partner with creators who already have trust. Because people don't follow creators for production quality. They follow them for judgment. Trust has become one of the most valuable currencies in business. And it can't be bought with a bigger budget. It has to be earned. This creates a huge opportunity for small businesses. You don't need massive spending to build influence anymore. You need expertise, consistency, authenticity, and a genuine desire to help. A local business sharing useful advice can build more trust than a competitor spending heavily on ads without connection. The same applies to consultants, coaches, real estate agents, and service providers. People aren't just buying products anymore. They're buying confidence in the person behind them. That's why personal branding matters. It's not about fame, it's about familiarity. When people repeatedly see you solving problems and sharing value, something changes. You stop looking like a salesperson, you start looking like a trusted expert. And when it's time to choose, they remember you. That's why creators are becoming powerful businesses. They don't start by selling. They start by building relationships. Sales come from trust built over time. This shift isn't replacing branding, it's redefining it. The brands that win won't just have the biggest budgets. They'll be the ones that build real human connections. Whether you're a global company or a local entrepreneur, the lesson is simple. People may discover you through technology, but they choose you because of trust. And trust is built one interaction at a time. So instead of asking how to reach more people, ask, how can I become someone people trust? Because today, the businesses that win aren't the loudest. They're the most believable. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more insights on business psychology, branding, and why customers buy, trust, and remember certain businesses. Thanks for watching.